Hey everybody, Anton Creel here from the Institute of Trading and Portfolio Management. Hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Right guys, I have a quick announcement for you about a live webinar that we've got coming up this Saturday on October 14th at 9 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. EST. It's called How to Make Awesome Profits Trading Options. And the webinar is going to be a live webinar hosted by our senior trading mentor in Los Angeles, Ben Berggreen. Now, if you want to register for it, so registering for the webinar is very easy. You can get yourself a ticket by clicking on the link below the video. Just follow the checkout process. It's all very straightforward. So what's this webinar all about, guys? Well, it's a webinar that's only for first timers to ITPM. So the webinar is going to be an introduction to trading stock options and specifically how to use stock options properly to replace stock positions. So if you're a retail trader that is new to financial markets, you're new to the stock market, or you're a retail trader that's been struggling the last couple of years to get consistency in your returns in the stock market, then this webinar is going to be ideal for you. Why? Because Ben is going to show you how to effectively trade options as part of a long-short equity options portfolio, which is the right way to get awesome profits and get consistency in your returns. So guys, this Saturday, October 14th at 9 a.m. EST, how to make awesome profits trading options with Ben Berggreen. Just click the link below the video. If you're a first timer to ITPM, you can get your ticket very easily. Just register by clicking the link below the video and Ben will see you there on Saturday.